So I want to talk about something that's extremely useful when you're making videos on the go. I might even call this essential if you're trying to make videos in your car. In fact, I'm actually using it right now. And what I'm talking about, of course, is the magnetic phone holder that's holding my phone to the dash right now. Now there's other dash cams out there, and there's other things that can hold your phone in your car for you out there, but this is the one that I'm loving the most because it's just so easy to use. You put a magnet behind your phone case, you stick the holder to your dash, and you're good. And what I like about this one is that it actually allows you to put it on a curved surface. I've had other ones before that the surface has to be straight and it ends up rocking and falling off. But this one's attached right above my steering wheel on the dash, and that's a curved surface. And because it has a curved edge, it sticks just fine. And here's the thing, I've talked before about how it's important to squeeze YouTube into your life. Even if you feel like you have no time whatsoever, you have the time. If you're in the car for 10 minutes, you have time to make a YouTube channel. But you gotta do it safely and legally. So you need something to hold your phone or camera while you're driving. In my opinion, this is perfect. I think some people will swear by dash cams, and that's fine too, but I actually like to have all of my footage on my phone to keep it consistent, to keep it together. So this is the way that I prefer to do it. Now, of course, it's for more than just filming yourself. Having it there also allows you to use it as your GPS, take phone calls, even do video phone calls. The camera's pointing at you, so that works great too. Also, the magnet system is just so easy to use. I've used other phone holding systems in the car before, but a lot of them are clunky. Some of them you have to use two hands to get in and out. That's just not gonna work for me because it's gotta be quick and easy, no extra steps, in and out, and easily part of my life. This magnet system is perfect for that. And when you need to leave, you just grab your phone and go. It's not so much that I live an active life, because I really don't. I just like technology to work seamlessly into my life, which is why I like that magnet so much. So, in addition to the one holder, you also get a second holder. This one has a flat base, so it'll stick great to flat surfaces. And you also get two metal plates, so you can stick those behind your phones. You also get these plastic stickers, in case you don't actually want to stick this to your phone. You would just peel this off and then put this sticker onto the metal piece. Honestly, I don't know why they do that at all. I just don't peel this off. So, to attach this to your car though, you just peel this off, press it in place and hold it for 30 seconds, and then let it go, and leave it for 12 hours, it says. I guess that's so it bonds really good to the car dash. And you can put this thing just about anywhere in your car. You can put it here, you can put it over there, you can put it over there, right there. Here, anywhere. You can put it right here, where I have this other one, which works great, but it's only made for flat surfaces. This one's better. See how it has these two notches? That allows it to curve a little bit. If you look at the back, this thing's adjustable so that you can turn this thing or move it however you need. It also has a place for a charging cord if you need it. That'll keep the cord secure rather than flopping around everywhere. So I like it. It's really well designed. Honestly, I would not hesitate with this thing. It's just perfect for all of your needs if you're trying to make videos on the go. And it's a great phone holder. Got it for GPS, for phone calls, all that kind of stuff. There's a link to buy it on Amazon. If you buy it through that link, I get a small commission. I'd greatly appreciate it. I hope this helps, and I hope that you find exactly what you're looking for.